y'all, we're going to try this. We're going to try this out. Do a little bit of this unboxing here. My daughter's asleep and I don't want to go out into the cold shop right now to do this. So we'll see how this turns out and film it with the camera attached to an open coffee can. Yeah, we won't talk about that. More packing there. Let's see. We have a... I'm going to try these out. This is a QMS mil-spec trigger. It's supposed to be a trigger that they're mil-spec, but they're supposed to be hand filed a little bit, or they're supposed to just be a little bit better than your normal mil-spec. Because anyone that's used to a mil-spec trigger knows they are gritty, and they're just not great. They're reliable, but they're not great. End plate. We're going to have lots of pins in here. Magazine release. Castle nut. Washers. Mag release springs. Washers. Pins. Bolt catch. Here's a new addition that's going to go on to my 3G. I'm going to try it out. This is the Gary Mitchell AR comp. Muzzle brake. Low trigger guard by Magpul. More pins. Detent springs. Handguard screw. The magazine release. Safety selector. More pins. More screws. Another bolt catch. Here are a pair of gas tubes. These are nitrometed gas tubes. They are supposed to resist carbon fouling and all that stuff. They didn't have any rifle length, or I'd put one on my 3G, but that's what I'm going to build those with. All of the builds that I do will have the little things like that. It doesn't save very much money to go with a regular old stainless gas tube. You get one that's coated, it will help the end user in the long run, and it's not very much money. Magazine switch, more magazine springs, more detent springs, mag release, another Mo trigger guard, carbon length buffer, and these are the two tools, which is probably the main reason for doing this video. And if it doesn't turn out, well, then we'll just do an unboxing, but it's not really going to be an unboxing. It'll be a unboxing part Dukes. This is a 300 blackout barrel. I got one, pretty good price on it, and I wanted to check it out. And one thing, I didn't want it to be too heavy. If it ends up being too heavy, we'll find a fluted one. But there's the 300 blackout, a 16-inch 300 blackout barrel. And I can't wait to put this together. That's going to be a fun gun to shoot. So there's that. And this is really something I've been really itching to try out. Anybody that knows any of my past knows that I've worked a lot with carbon fiber, actually in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Had a little bit to do with the carbon fiber stuff there, so I am familiar with it. And this is a carbon fiber hand guard. And the thing about it is that this one is basically assembly required. Where a lot of them, you pay the royalty for the thing already coming assembled. Whereas with this one, your barrel nut and your carbon fiber tube are separate. And so, they've included epoxy. I've probably got some better epoxy than what this is. And you have to epoxy it yourself. And I'll probably end up getting some type of cover here or fabricating one. But that's going to be the hand guard for one of the rifles that I'm building. Pretty nice stuff. So anyways, that's the latest unboxing. And what we've got here, let me grab this phone. Again, I apologize for my laziness. Just in here, got shoes and crap laying everywhere. That's just a pile of AR parts is what that boils down to. But that's pretty nice quality. I mean, as far as what we're doing with it, I don't know that I'd want to trust it to hold the wings on my plane or anything, but and this comp here is really, they say it's pretty good. I mean, if Mitchell's got his name on it, I would assume that it is. So anyways, that's the next one. Thanks for watching.